Yeah.
Two, you got this?
Yeah, I got this. Hello folks, John Goldstein here, president of Leisure Coachworks. Gonna take a few minutes of your time, gonna save you a ton of trouble, and it all starts with just a little crack. What a little crack? Little crack here, little crack around a window, little crack around your awning, little crack on your roof. Without the proper seal, can turn into a big problem real quick. Let's take a look at each different product and the different applications for each one. Right here is the most common products that we have on our shelves to deal with all the different types of cracks. First thing you want to do is start with a clean surface with a basic auto prep to remove all the debris and the oil. Next, you want to make sure that you're using the correct seal in the correct spot. This RTV silicone sealant is used around most exterior windows, not the windshields, but windows. This ProFlex clear sealant is designed to go around all of the exterior on a painted coach, so that way whatever color is behind it can be seen through the seal. This Sikaflex 221, that's white, is designed to be used on exteriors that are white, and you can use them around the whole entire coach. This is an alpha sealant that's designed to use on a TPO rubber roof. This is an Xtrm self-leveling sealant designed to use on PVC roofs. And this sealant is a Dicor product that's designed to be used on Dicor, EPDM, or TPO roofs, and a couple other variables. Water causes more damage to RVs on a daily basis than all the accidents that are out there, because it happens, and it happens quickly, and a lot of the times all it takes is you need to know what to look for and how often to check. Let me show you why. Right here we have a seal void from the roof to the wall molding. You can see this screw is starting to rust, and this screw is rusted as well, and there's no seal around this one. This is all gonna let water in the wall and can start to delaminate right here. So you wanna make sure that whatever type of roof you have to this type of molding is the proper sealant that you use, and you might need to use a different sealant over here. If you have the same type of a crack on a front cap to a roof, you might want to go with our Leisure Coachworks tape. You clean the surface, you put it on both sides, and it'll allow everything to flex, and it'll be less likely to crack. One thing to note is not all windows are completely sealed all the way around. This unit is only sealed on the top, and it comes a little bit down. Here's some examples of what happens if you miss that little seal and it turns catastrophic. So most important thing, twice a year, walk your coach, spend 10 to 15 minutes looking at the front cap, looking at the rear cap, looking at the windows, looking at every area where you have a penetration or a transition to keep that seal weather tight. Use the right one. Most important thing is to seal over, even if it looks funky, to keep that water out. And if you're not happy with how it looks, bring it down. We'll make it look good. Like, follow, and subscribe to see more updates and more projects. We're in Fontana, California, right across the street from the California Speedway. Stop on by. Here's the Leisure Coachworks quick tip. Gonna give you a quick tip, because it happens so fast and so, Gonna give you a long pause, giving you another quick tip for you to know. Hello folks, John Goldstein here. Gonna give you some, and what I mean by that is not what I was going for.